Hi everyone, my name is Laf and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain to you about blood transfusion and my brother Amir is going to help me with this. Hello. Blood is a red liquid that circulates and carries the nutrients and oxygen all around our body. We have four types of blood groups.
A, B, and O. If we have an antigen A, it will be A. If we have an antigen B, it will be B. If we have both antigens in our blood, it will be A and B. If we have non-antigen, it will be O. There's even another antigen which is called RH. It presents the A positive and A negatives. If we don't have RH, it will be A negative. If we have RH, it will be A positive. If we don't have RH and B, it will be B negative. If we have RH, it will be RH and a positive B. If we don't have RH in AB, it will be AB negative. If we have RH, it will be AB positive. And O is the same thing as the others.
Blood transfusion is when a person has an accident and lose lots of blood. You can get another blood from another person, but it has to be the same blood group. Why do we have to know about that?
Because we have antibodies. If one person has an A and the other person will have an A, it will be all fine. But if one person have an A and the other person will have a B, the antibodies will attack the B and then it will make a clot. It will be fatal. Why is it fatal? It is because it will make a clot and it will make a blood and it will block the blood circulation and let us die.
Our experiment question is,
the hypothesis is
the materials that you're going to need are
red. Look!
and for B, we're going to put a drop of blue food coloring. And for AB, we're going to put a drop of red food coloring and blue food coloring.
Can I have a lot?
And for O, we're not putting anything because it doesn't have any antigen. Blood compatibility. We're going to see which one can give the other and which one cannot. This is going to be the donor that will give, and this is going to be the recipient that will get. Now I'm going to take this. It didn't change, so it is compatible. So A can give A. The color got denser, so A can't give B, so it is incompatible. It didn't change, so A can give AB and it is compatible. Now we're going to take a drop to O. the color got pink, so the A can't give O, so it's incompatible. Now it's time for B.
First, we're going to start off with red. That is A.
Now we're going to take from B to A, and the color changed, so it is incompatible. And now from B to B. B didn't change, so it is compatible. Now B to AB.
I dropped something inside.
Now we're going to take from B to AB. It doesn't change, so it is compatible, and B can give to AB. Now we're going to do from B to O. Now it changed, so B is incompatible. The color became denser, so it changed, so it is incompatible. Now we're going to take from AB to AB. The color didn't change, so it is compatible. And now we're going to take from AB to O. The color changed, so it is incompatible. Now we're going to give O to A. The color didn't change, so it is compatible. And now we're going to do from O to B. The color didn't change, so it is compatible. We're going to bring O to AB. The color didn't change, so it is compatible. Now we're going to get from O to O. The color didn't change, so it is compatible. A can give A and A can give AB. A takes only O or itself, which is A. B can give B and B can give AB. B only takes O or only takes itself, which is B.
AB can take all of them, but it only gives himself. O can give anybody, but only can take for himself.
Thank you everybody for watching our video. Please subscribe and put a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload another video. Bye!
Bye!